This time we're supposed to find the square root of the complex number expressed in polar form, but angle is expressed in radians. So what we're supposed to do first? We're supposed to apply exactly the same formula which we used before, but instead of 360 degrees we are going to use 2 pi. This is the only difference. So what I'm supposed to do first? I'm supposed to convert the radical to power. So I have 20 and angle of negative 3.11 radians raised to power 1/2. Next, I'm supposed to raise the magnitude to power 1/2, and I'm going to have 20 to power 1/2, and I have angle 1/2 times negative 3.11 plus 2 pi. Instead of 360, you're supposed to use 2 pi times 0. Remember, we are going to have 2 roots, okay? 2 roots. And if you want to find the maximum value of k which we're supposed to use, simply subtract from the denominator 1. So 2 minus 1 gives you 1. So we have to solve this formula, okay? But instead of 360, you're supposed to use 2 pi for 2 values of k, 0 and 1, because maximum value of k is equal 1. So this is equal 4.47. You're supposed to use the calculator and raise 20 to power 1/2, and you will have angle negative 1.55 radians. Okay, so what I did, I simply used the calculator and got these 2 values. So this is the first root of my problem. If you want to find the second one, you're supposed to copy down the magnitude. We have 4.47 and I have angle 1/2 and I have negative 3.11 plus 2 pi, but instead of 0 I'm supposed to use 1 this time. And this is the highest value which I can use, because 2 minus 1, so k is equal p minus 1. This is my p minus 1 gives me 1. Okay, so this is equal 4.47 and angle of 1.58 radians. And this is my second rule. We're supposed to have 2 solutions. We got 2 roots. We can say that the problem is solved.